Hi everybody, Rick McEvoy here. Yes, today I am live on location, and yes, today I am using some funky new kit. It's the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, which I'm using with this rather cool thing called Active Track, whereby it suits my face and it follows me. So I can walk around like this, and I can show you this lovely sky. This is my problem. This is the point of today. I would like to talk to you for the third week in a row about Luminar 4 AI sky replacement. Rather than sitting in my office, I thought I'd get out and about. I was meant to be photographing a building today. Look behind me. Actually quite a nice sky when you get the exposure right, which this one clearly isn't. Yes, so basically I'm going to walk along a bit now just because I can. Grey skies are a regular thing in England. We don't get the best weather. I wish I lived in California or a Greek island, come to that. There you go, that's better. But no, in England, here we go, let's do a 360 of the sky. It's pretty grey, isn't it? Okay, I'll keep walking. Exercise and videoing at the same time. I do believe this is multitasking gone mad. So, Luminar 4 AI sky replacement. It's my third post about it. I am a Skylum affiliate. If you buy Luminar 4 from the affiliate link on my website, I do get a small commission. Next week I'm going to, if I get time, sorry, this is a bit bouncy, isn't it? This is meant to be smooth as silk. I think it's probably just me. If I get time next week, what I would like to do is publish 50 photos that desperately need the sky replacing. I'm going to stop moving now. It's quite weird how sharp this screen is. Excuse the sniff. And I'm back in action. Yes, so this week's post is 5 reasons why it's okay to replace the sky using Luminar 4 AI sky replacement. Number 1, people have been replacing skies using Photoshop for years and years and years. I do go into the history of Photoshop and the versions. Version 1 was released over 25 years ago. Sky replacement is quite a popular feature. Some people just walking by there give me a funny look. Why am I holding a strange device and talking into my phone? It's okay, they've gone now. I've actually bought a couple of sky replacement courses. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of Photoshop, I have to say. In fact, Photoshop confuses the hell out of me. Lightroom I get. Lightroom has a logic to it. Photoshop was designed originally, I do believe, for graphic designers. It's not designed for photographers. I don't understand layers. I bought two sky replacement software packages, and they worked, sort of. I managed to replace the sky, but it took me forever and they didn't look great. With Luminar, it happens instantly. Reason number 2 why it's okay. I hope I remember the other 3. Reason number 2 is what's behind me. All around me. Grey sky, not unusual in England. So, if you want a justification for sky replacement, come and live in England. You get rubbish skies. If you live in California, Greek island, no excuse, blue sky all the way. Down here in England, grey skies, sorted. Number 3, my clients do not care. Very important point. If I take photos of buildings on a cloudy day, I have to take photos on a cloudy day. I don't get a second chance. Sorry, I'm mixing 2 points here. First point being, number 3, I book shoots in advance. I have to take that weather on the day that I do the shoot. Someone just running past. Might not do this again on location. Yes, if I'm photographing a building that's just been refurbished, then I have to do it on the day given. I don't get a second chance. I can't pick the sunrise, I can't pick the nice weather. That's what I'm given. If it's cloudy, I have to get on with it and accept the photos. I've got a cloudy sky. If it's raining, we have a problem. Sometimes we reschedule. Moves me on to point 3. Of course, at 4 now. Check the blog post. There it is in a nice, logical, structured order. and not me waffling. Clients don't care. Clients genuinely don't care if I've done the sky replacement or not. What's a client care about? An architect who's worked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 years on a building, he cares that his building looks great in the photos. So if I replace the sky, is he going to mind? Is she going to mind? Are they going to mind? No, they're not going to give an actual stuff. They just want nice photos, the best photos they can. A little bonus that came out of this is that if I can replace the skies convincingly and as quickly as I think I can plan shoots on cloudy days knowing that my processing will deal with the sky issue. Okay, number 5 has completely slipped my mind, so I'm going to shut up there and say thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the live experience. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile, not being paid to say this. I bought this, I'm playing with it, I'm learning it. Please subscribe to my photography blog. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check me out on Pinterest. See you next week where we might have 50 photos that need a sky replacing. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.